Shake to minimize all windows except the active one. Just click the title bar of the window you want to remain open to select it, then, hold the mouse down and move the window back and forth, quickly shaking it. After a couple of quick shakes, all other open windows will minimize, leaving only the one you've shaken open. Take a screenshot. To capture just one part of your screen, hit the Windows key plus Shift plus S. To open a tool called Snip and Sketch, which allows you to click and drag to create a screenshot, which is saved to your clipboard. How much space apps are taking up. To see how much space an app uses, navigate to Settings, System, Storage. Shut down background apps, to control which apps are running in the background and save some battery power and data. Go to Settings, Privacy, Background apps. To stop all apps from running in the background, toggle Let apps run in the background to off. Show file extensions in File Explorer. Go to the search bar at the bottom of the screen and type in File Explorer Options and click it. In the window that pops up, click the View tab. Uncheck the box that says Hide extensions for known file types. Click Apply and OK. You should now see file extensions for all files in the File Explorer. Arrange windows. Right-click on the taskbar to reveal 3 window arrangement schemes, namely Cascade Windows, Show Windows Stacked, and Show Windows Side by Side. Get back icons on the desktop for easier access to certain key locations on your computer. Head to Start, Settings, Personalization, Themes. Then click the desktop icon settings and select the icons you want to place on the desktop. Choose which folders appear on Start. Open the Settings app from Start menu and go to Personalization, Start, and click on the Choose which folders appear on Start link. Now you can customize the folders list that shows on the Start menu. Uninstall apps from the Start menu. You can right-click on any modern or a traditional desktop app in the Start menu, and then select the Uninstall option from the pop-up menu to remove that app from your PC. Change the default view in File Explorer. File Explorer now defaults to the Quick Access view. But if you want it to go straight to this PC on launch, click on the View tab, select Options and change the Open File Explorer to setting to this PC.